Hey, Smarty Pants! 3.6 million student loan borrowers are going to receive more than 3 years of credit towards student loan forgiveness. You guys, I got great news. Watch this video if you are on an income-driven repayment plan or if you have ever been in forbearance and you're looking to get forgiveness through income-driven repayment forgiveness or public service loan forgiveness. Because your loans might poof disappear like Kevin Spacey at a Me Too march. Watch until the end because some of you will need to take action to get time taken off of your student loans. I'm going to be talking about two kinds of student loan forgiveness: income-driven repayment forgiveness and public service loan forgiveness. If you don't know what that means, then this video is going to make very little sense. So let's do a quick rundown. There are many types of repayment plans for federal student loans. Ones that are based on your income are called, income-driven repayment plans. They're not trying to trick you here. It's pretty simple. If you get on one of these income-driven repayment plans, then after usually 20 years, sometimes 25, any balance that's left will be forgiven. Public service loan forgiveness is different. I've made a few videos on public service loan forgiveness, so check those out above. The longs and the shorts of it is, if you work for the government or a nonprofit for 10 years full-time, you can get your direct federal student loans forgiven, basically. Watch those other videos. There are over a dozen federal student loan forgiveness programs. Find out if one of them will help you reduce or get rid of your student loans in my student loan forgiveness cheat sheet, link in the description. There were a couple of really big problems concerning forbearance and IDR payment counts that are being fixed. So some people were put into forbearance when technically they should not have been. And forbearance months don't count towards PSLF or IDR forgiveness. So through no fault of their own, these people lost critical time towards PSLF or IDR forgiveness. The second giant problem is that lots of IDR payment plans have had their counts lost by the student loan servicers. So there's no track record for how long these people have been paying through IDR. So lots of people are like, hey, I paid for 20 years, my balance is supposed to be forgiven at this point. To which the student loan servicers are like, oh, do you have the paperwork from 20 years ago? Because we don't. No, nobody has paperwork from 20 years ago. That's your job, student loan servicers. And you messed up. You may be affected by one or both of these problems. If your federal student loans have been in forbearance for more than 12 months at a time or 36 months total, technically, you're not allowed to be in forbearance for that long. So if you were able to, that means your student loan servicer failed you. The really great news: to make it up to you, they are conducting a one-time account adjustment for people in this situation. For example, if you went into forbearance for 18 months, you're not supposed to go into forbearance for more than 12 months at a time. Those 6 months are now going to be put towards IDR or PSLF if you're eligible. Or for example, over the course of 20 years, you were in forbearance for a total of 60 months. Technically, you're not supposed to be in forbearance for more than a total of 36 months, meaning 24 of those months can be counted towards PSLF or IDR forgiveness. Most people won't have to do anything to get these months put towards student loan forgiveness. The government will do a recount and let you know. But if you were steered into forgiveness when IDR would have been a better option, even if it wasn't over 12 months or the cumulative 36 months, you can ask for a review by filing a complaint with the FSA Ombudsman, link in the description, and you might get those months to count towards PSLF or IDR, which can take lots of time off your loans. My name is Kate Moody, creator of the Savings Free Budget, here to help you outsmart your money. I help independent women secure their financial future, stop worrying, and enjoy their life without guilt or shame or judgment. If that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe. Okay, that's the first problem fixed. The second problem, that there aren't complete counts towards IDR. Well, if you have federal direct or federally managed FFEL loans and are looking to get your loans forgiven through income-driven forgiveness, just as they're conducting a one-time adjustment for people who took forbearance, they're conducting a one-time revision of IDR qualifying payments. Now, no matter what payment plan you are on, as long as you made a payment that month, will count towards IDR forgiveness. Payments made prior to consolidation on consolidated loans will also count. If they find that you've made the required number of payments for IDR forgiveness, you will receive automatic loan cancellation. If not, well, now they have an accurate number so you know how many months you have left. Starting in 2023, you will be able to see how many months you have left on the studentaid.gov portal. Although they're going to start immediately, they have a lot of work to do. So you might not see the effect in your account until later this year. Good luck, and let me know if you get forgiveness or whatever questions you may have down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Cheers.